Hi everybody, so I want to show you how to make these adorable Trolls headbands. They are so easy. Check it out. And you can make so many different colors. They're great for parties and they're just great for hanging out. Here's how you make them. Use a headband at least a ½ inch thick. Next, get your tool. Cut 18 to 20 inch long pieces. I made about 18 of them for each headband. Then you loop each one like this. Do that all the way around the headband. Now cut another piece of tulle and tie it off at the top. I used some flowers and a glue gun to finish it off. All right, thanks so much for watching. Of course, we hope you subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and make sure you share this with all of your friends. Also, click on those post notifications so you know the next time we have a new video popping up. I hope you have a great day. Bye.